with near normal temperatures are expected over the weekend.
This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning Alarm System in support of the tornado drill for Severe Weather Awareness Week in Wisconsin. Ordinarily, weekly tests of this alarm system are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a severe weather threat, the tests are postponed until the next available good weather day. The alarm tone will activate for severe weather and other life-threatening emergency messages for transmitters across Wisconsin. This is only a test. There is no severe weather threat currently across Wisconsin. This concludes our test tornado drill in support of Severe Weather Awareness Week in Wisconsin. We now return to regular programming.
And now the forecast for your local area. This afternoon,